Okay, today we're gonna make another video about the coupe 600, the coupe MP600 turbo. Or, I believe the 550 uses the same blade. We're gonna make a video about the blade removal. I already loosened this up to speed the video up, so that we don't have to fight it. Sometimes it's a little hard to get it out and have to hammer it or something. I have several that I had to fix. I have this one here that I already took the blade and the bearings out. And I'll show you how to remove the blade bearing assembly from this other one. There is a tool that you can buy to grab the blade from one side and grab the nut from the other side. If you don't have it, what I'm going to use is pliers and these other pliers here. Just grab the blade in a way that if you're reusing the blade, just grab it in a way you don't damage the sharpness of it. If you're reusing it, it shouldn't matter. And just give it a twist. Sometimes they are. This one is easy to loosen up, but some of them are hard to loosen up. And well, there you go. Just be careful because it's sharp. Okay, so with this one I was having trouble getting the bearings out. They were like this and they didn't want to come out. So the best this is the best way I found to get it out. You have to use a pipe. It's a 3/4 of an inch in diameter. You can see it. 24 inches doesn't matter. It can be 6 or whatever. Something that is about this long should be fine. Just make sure it's round. This side is not. When you see this on the surface, make sure this doesn't hit the surface, because when you hit it, we might break this. So I can see it. Can sit that way maybe. Just center this pipe like that. Sometimes you have to hammer it several times. It depends on how stuck it is. And that's it. This one looks good, so I might put this one back. But this one here was like really damaged, so I'm gonna get a new blade bearing assembly and put a new one. So I don't have a new one yet, but once I get it, the way to put it back in is just the opposite. Uh, it has two tabs here. They have to align with the. It has like a gap on each side. Once they align, use your other hand to line it up on this side. Well, once it aligns here and here, it should go in a little bit, and then we're gonna hit it until it goes all the way in. Tighten it back up, do the same as you did when you loosen it up. And the way it spins like this, so what it does is it's always tightening the nut, so it won't. Once I put it the word, it should tighten it up once it starts spinning, and it should be fine. I don't think it has to be real tight, but I mean, you want to like real tight it, you can buy the tool and tighten it up with it, or just tighten it up some more with them pliers or something. Yep, that's. I have another one here. I already took the blade out of it. But just make sure it's center, because this pipe barely goes there. You don't have a center, it will hit the side of the metal and it won't go down. You don't have a pipe this size and you can find that you can use I don't know, a socket maybe, or whatever tool you have that is 3/4, or something very close to it. I got this at Lowe's, so you can find them at Lowe's maybe, or any other hardware store might have them. And like I say, sometimes you have to hit it several times. If it doesn't come out, you can, I don't know, use some WD-40 or this one here, plaster penetrating rust, something. And there you have it. I have these ones here, but I can't get the blades out, so posted on the comments of a link to a video where I can get the blade out on this one, because I tried the method I'm using to get the blades out, but it's not working because they're like really stuck. I'm gonna maybe submerge them in water and leave them there for a few days, or use some of these. The thread is on the very inside, so I'm gonna have to do it from this side and let it go down. Maybe it'll reach the thread. That should work. Well, just put them in water or something. Yep. That's how I found out the best way to get the bearings out, because I was like pulling them before, like, let's see, I can show you real quick. I'm gonna show you how I was trying to get them out, but it wasn't working, so I'm gonna put this one in there real quick, and then I'm gonna show you what I was doing, but it wasn't working. So this is what I was doing. I was pulling using these pliers, the opening, and pulling, and it wasn't, and then pulling on the other side, but just too hard. I think I got one like that before, a long time ago, but this one, I mean, just put it there and it's stuck, so. Yep, that's where I found to get them out. Alright, that should be it for now. Once I get the new assembly, I'll put them in and they should be ready to go. Thanks for watching.